Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Color-based segmentation is a technique used in computer vision to isolate objects or regions based on their color characteristics. This tutorial will guide you through the process of performing color-based segmentation using Python and the OpenCV library. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed. Color spaces represent colors in different ways. The most common ones are RGB, HSV, and BGR. In this tutorial, we will use the HSV, hue, saturation, value, color space, which is particularly useful for color-based segmentation. Feel free to experiment with different lower and upper bounds to find the optimal range for your specific application. Adjusting these values will help you isolate different colors in your images. ChatGPT.